what is the vanish mode on Instagram? Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to have a quick tutorial on what is that vanish mode on Instagram. So let's get started without wasting our time. So this vanish mode just allows us to just disappear all the message from the conversation as you just go back from that chat. So I'm just going to show how this works. So let's get started without wasting our time. So I'm going to open this chat, and so you can see that the vanish mode is just off. That means vanish mode is not activated. So let's just activate the vanish mode. So for activating that vanish mode, you have to just go to the I bell icon which is present on the right top corner, and you can see that there is an option of third option or just a below theme option, that vanish mode, and you can see that there is a little written below the vanish mode. See, message will disappear when you close the chat. That means when you open the vanish mode from that particular time, when you seen the message and just close the chat, that message will be disappear. So I'm just going to open the vanish mode, and I'm just going to go back, and here I'm just going to type something like delicious or just like dwell. I have just sent this, and now I'm just going to go back, and when I come back, you can see that the all over chat will be disappear. When this particular message will be seen by the user which have been sent the message, that particular message will also be disappear. So that's all for this video. I hope this video was a great help to you, and if you find this video helpful, please do share with your friends. Thanks for watching this video, and if you have any question regarding this whole process, please let me know in the comment box.